Are you ready to make money online by creating and publishing videos without revealing your face or profile? You can make money by outsourcing your Cash Cow YouTube channel, and once published, continue to make money from your videos for years to come. Talk about passive income. You can make money with your YouTube channel by posting videos without showing your face. Introducing Cash Cow YouTube channels. This is your opportunity to make passive income money. Step 1. Choose your niche. Some niches that are fire: finance, wealth, business tips, life hacks, crypto, luxury, recommended products, food tips, meditation, travel, photography, e-commerce, and so many more. Step 2. Create an awesome thumbnail. This is what people see when they land on your YouTube channel. Step 3. Write a catchy title. Make it short and easy to remember. Step 4. Write a great description where people can easily understand what the video is about. You can add other links to your other videos or other links you want to send your audience to. Step 5. Write a catchy script with a hook. Get your audience excited about your video. Step 6. Start creating content like facts, statistics, lots of video and stock images. Step 7. Create related content and playlists so your Cash Cow videos get recommended one after the other. Step 8. Promote your channel, social media, email, paid and organic marketing, and 100% Instagram shoutouts. Step 9. Build your team. Outsource your Cash Cow videos to freelancers on Upwork or Fiverr, as you need a script writer, video editor, voiceover artist, graphic designer to do your thumbnails, and someone to upload your Cash Cow videos and optimize the YouTube SEO, add tags and descriptions. What are you waiting for? Start mapping out your Cash Cow YouTube videos today. Want more free money-making ideas and strategy? Head to www.iwillteachyoutomakemoneyonline.com. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button if you would more free tips on how to make money online. Thanks for watching this video.